In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, melt the butter. Sprinkle with flour and stir continuously until a roux or thick paste forms. Slowly whisk in the milk, lower the heat, and cook until the mixture is creamy and slightly thickened. Whisk in the cream and cook until it is warm. Set the sauce aside. Lay the fries in a casserole dish and cover with the white sauce. Spread a layer of onions on top of the sauce and season with salt and black pepper. Sprinkle with shredded cheddar cheese and fresh parsley. Cover the casserole dish with aluminum foil and use a sharp knife to poke a few slits in the foil to allow steam to escape while the potatoes bake. Bake on the middle oven rack at 400 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Serve hot.